The stable CU MH series servo motors deliver robust and reliable power for precision motion control. The MH60A series features fast response, making it suitable for high-speed automation applications. The MH80A series balances strong output torque with precise control. The MH110A series is dedicated to high torque, heavy load applications. The MH130A series handles demanding operating conditions with ample torque reserve. The entire series features a medium to high inertia design, available in both non-brake and 24V DC brake configurations, with a maximum rated speed of 6,000 revolutions per minute and high overload capacity. It is deeply matched with stable CU FT, FM, and FD series servo drives, with co-optimized hardware and software to achieve precise position, speed, and torque control, providing stable and efficient motion solutions for equipment such as machine tools, packaging machines, and robotic arms.